Hi everybody, this is Joe again. I'm just going to make a quick little video and show you what happens when you catch your drone, particularly my Phantom 4 Pro, on landing, catching it by the legs, and not shutting it down and using these guys, which are carbon fiber props, which are very, very strong props. Very rarely they'll break, and I'm going to show you a few photographs of what happens when you catch it in your hand, your drone, and you're trying to shut it down with your actually, I'm sorry, I had the the remote in my left hand, and I caught with my right hand, and what happened is I'm trying to shut down the props. When I caught the drone, it came over and did this. And I'm gonna let you see the photos, and it didn't hurt, but it was quite gross. So what you want to do is graphic video. Okay, I'm going to show you. So the props themselves are wonderful, but you got to be careful, because these things could be lethal if you don't use them the right way. And I will show you in a moment again what happened when I caught my drone with my right hand, trying to shut down the power with my left hand under my remote, and what happened. Stay tuned and watch this. Like I said, it didn't hurt that much, but it was quite interesting, and I was told I should go get some stitches, but obviously I didn't. And this is the healing part. I'll see if you can see it, of what happened, and that's the end results. There's just some scarring here. Not that bad. I call it a war injury. You know, it's the thing about having fun and playing around. Sometimes you got to be careful. You know, these things aren't always for kids and everything. You got to watch them and have supervision. But I hope you enjoy this video. And basically, I'm not saying not to use the carbon fiber props, but I'm saying just be careful, because when they start cutting into something, they cut until they just go right through and won't stop. Okay. Good things to have, but be very careful. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope everybody wants to subscribe. Tell your friends about I just want to give you this little video. It's a little short video, so subscribe, give a thumbs up, like, tell me what you think, and keep on flying out there and fly safe. Alright, thank you everybody.